Do you want to be able to move around SharePoint confidently and take full advantage of the many possibilities that SharePoint offers you? Then this is the right course for you. I'll show you how to navigate SharePoint, identify the different elements of a SharePoint site, and make the most of them. SharePoint provides you with several elements to collaborate with others, most importantly, file sharing. SharePoint is a central location for storing files in the cloud in the Microsoft world, along with OneDrive. So, SharePoint integrates beautifully with all the other Microsoft programs, such as Teams or even the Office suite with applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. SharePoint locations can also be accessed via Windows Explorer. Working with SharePoint also means facing new technologies and ways of working, even adopting them to achieve optimal results with others. You can learn all this in this course. I'll take a step-by-step approach so that you can always follow the procedure. In the course, you will also receive handouts to help you put into practice what you have learned, and in a quiz, you can then check and also prove your knowledge. I would be happy to see you on the list of participants for this course.